Next up is the Large Renovation Project category, and this category is sponsored by People's Pension.
And the winner of this category is Preece Sons Carpentry Limited. People's Partnership is a workplace pension organisation. We have about 7 million members with us at the moment that we look after people's pensions for. And we're different because we look after social responsibility, we have lower charges, and we make sure communications are key so that people can entrust us to look after their pension for the long term.
Any accolade like this is so important for us to showcase who we are and what we do, especially in Worcestershire. It's just a fantastic barn conversion. All the boys are fantastic. Every single individual are experts at what they do. So I couldn't recommend anybody better from all our trades. They are so good. It's a small county, so yeah, it means a lot.